Hi, welcome to the exclusive in-house section. My name is Uhunoma Evans, and in today's content, I'm going to be sharing with you the five truths you should know about affiliate marketing before starting out. And sadly, nobody told you this. Okay, so before starting out in affiliate marketing, you must have heard many stories about affiliate marketing, how sweet it is, how juicy, the screenshot, the financial freedom. You must have heard everything. Okay, so I want to be revealing some deep truth to you of which you didn't know or you don't know. And knowing this truth will put you at a great edge of succeeding as a super affiliate. And sadly, your mentors didn't tell you this because your ignorance is their merchandise. And in today's content, I'm going to be sharing with you the five truths you should know about affiliate marketing before starting out, or maybe you have started. These are the five truths you should know. Okay, one of these truths might be the reason why you have not make any sales. One of the truth might be the reason why you are still struggling to make sales, or one of these truths might be the reason why you have not started implementing, or maybe one of these truths might be the reason why you have not registered as an affiliate marketer. So I want you to read and listen, take a pen on the jotter, and digest every piece of content in this video because it's going to be very valuable. With that said, let's jump right into the video. Alright, before I start out, I will start out with a little story of mine of how I started affiliate marketing. I started affiliate marketing that was 2021 last year by June. So before I started affiliate marketing, I was a Ponzi scheme enthusiast. I was this fan of this get rich quick scheme. Okay, so if you're in Nigeria, you understand what I'm talking about. So I have invested in so many Ponzi scheme and this get quick rich scheme platform, and I have cashed out from many and I've lost to many. So the last one really ruined my life, almost ruined my life. I lost almost about 400,000 to that platform and I was deeply frustrated. With that curiosity and with that frustration, looking for another means to start making money, I stumbled into affiliate marketing. Me stumbling into affiliate marketing, I think affiliate marketing is just like the Ponzi scheme I was doing right from time, or the get quick rich scheme, because of the sugar quotes that was in. Because when I saw affiliate marketing, I thought affiliate marketing was the next get quick rich scheme because of the screenshot I was seeing, because of the diverse testimonies. I was very enticed. You know, we Nigerians are very greedy and we are lazy. So with that, I didn't have any money on me because the last Ponzi scheme I invested, I used all my money. I even sold my laptop to invest on that Ponzi scheme. So I have to rush and even take a loan and look for money to register for the 72 ID. Then it was around 45,000 naira. So when I registered, I just opened it and I saw that this one was different. It was not the one we put our money and our money grew, because that was what I was thinking because of the testimony, because of the screenshot I was seeing. But I was seeing something different and it made me lose hope, and I just leave it there because I did it the first week, second week it was just a different thing entirely. So I have to leave it there and I have to just looking from that miss again to start making money. And I went into the other side and this Ponzi scheme and was just doing what I was doing before. All right, but there was no way there. So a month, 2 months, I didn't make any say. 3 months, I was there. There was nothing. There was no response. And after every struggles, I have to come back to my senses that I registered for his partner. I registered for the 72 ID, and what is it? What is wrong with me? I have to come back to my senses because I was seeing people started even before me started seeing results because I was that kind of a lazy type. So I have to go back and I have to go through the training properly. I have to get out of my comfort zone. I have to pin myself. I have to start doing things I was not doing before, putting myself out there, embracing the shame, not minding what people will say, and I started implementing every single content I was watching. All right, I started implementing every single thing in the 72 IG, and by the grace of God, I made this Michael Kenny Omokoye was the founder of Zero to Hero, which is the community I belong. I then I joined the 1 million challenge. That really brushed me up, and I started implementing ruthlessly without minding what people will say and putting all the effort. So when I started affiliate marketing, when I started implementing the first month, that was September, the first 3 weeks I started implementing, I got my first C. So I made my first C and I was like, wow, this thing really works. So I started implementing, started risk and repeat. I started risking and repeat what everything I've been, what I've learned so far. So when I started implementing, started seeing progress, seeing result. The consistency was showing up. The first month I make my first C. So the first week I made 2 Cs in a week, and that was it. So my sales started skyrocketing, and today it is history because I started implementing and I removed and erased that mindset of a Ponzi scheme. So these are things I didn't know because even the person that registered me for affiliate marketing didn't told me this because once I registered through him, he just left me there. There was no guidance, there was no mentorship, nothing. I was just left alone. That's why I wandered away into Ponzi scheme. I got more frustrated because there was no guidance and mentorship. So these truths are what people don't tell you because sadly nobody will tell you this, and because they want to sugarcoat you so that you can register and they can have their commission. No, but I'm going to be showing you these truths of which you should know if affiliate marketing is for you or it's not for you. And this video will put you at a very great edge to succeed as an affiliate marketer, to pull you up and to get you up going. All right. With that said, let's jump into the 5 truths you should know about affiliate marketing. So the first truth is affiliate marketing is not a get rich quick scheme. So as I said earlier, affiliate marketing many think affiliate marketing is a platform that will get them rich very fast due to the screenshots you are seeing, due to the testimonials you are seeing, and due to the sugar quotes. But I will tell you this, affiliate marketing is not a get quick rich scheme because that was the first mindset I was having about affiliate marketing, which made me fail woefully. So if you approach it with a Ponzi scheme mentality and you have high expectation without the required work, you are going to fail woefully. So if you don't put in the work and you approach affiliate marketing as a Ponzi scheme or as a platform, you have to put your money and you expect return in the stipulated time, you are going to fail woefully because you are going to be frustrated. All right, because if you don't work, you won't see a result. Affiliate marketing is a business model of which you have to put in certain work, you have to put in certain things in place before you can start seeing things working out for your good. If you don't do these things, you won't see any result and you won't see anything because affiliate marketing is a business, not a Ponzi scheme. So if you approach it with a Ponzi scheme mentality, because we Nigerians, we are so greedy and we are so lazy. We love something that will give us return in investment without putting any work, and there's nothing that comes out good if you don't put in the work. So affiliate marketing is not a Ponzi scheme. So if you are approaching it with a Ponzi scheme mentality, you are going to be failing woefully. That's the number one thing you have to know, which is the number one truth you have to know about affiliate marketing. Then the number two truth you have to know is that affiliate marketing is not for the lazy, not the weak. There is work involved. Don't be carried away by what you see or what people are making. They all do crazy stuff to get that kind of result. So you also have to focus on your growth. So this is it. Affiliate marketing, if you are the type that don't love working, affiliate marketing is not for you. Affiliate marketing is not for the weak and it's not for the lazy. So we in Nigeria, we are very lazy and we love something very smooth, something that will come easily. Let me tell you something good and something great doesn't come easily. You have to put in certain amount of dedication to start seeing results. So don't be carried away by what you see, what's the screenshot people put out there, 2 million a week, 50,000 a week, 100,000 a week, 150, 200. Don't be carried away. That's what make people register for affiliate marketing even without doing their own research and doing their own back end research because they are carried away by those amounts. Once you see those amounts, it's like, wow, you are making this. They say yes. So if I register, I will start making this also. No, you won't start making this if you don't put in that work. So those guys you are seeing making those kind of results, pulling those kind of money every week, they are doing crazy stuff, guys. They are doing crazy stuff. I do crazy stuff. They just do those hard work and crazy stuff at the back and they show you the result at the front just to sugarcoat you. They are doing really crazy stuff. Really crazy stuff. They are getting out of their comfort zone. They are spending money on us, doing things that is not pleasant, but they have to do it. Those guys, they are paying experts to do advert for them. They are they are writing content almost every day. They are writing content almost every day, and they are putting things out there. All right, they are doing different kind of things of which you can't even dream about. That's why they are seeing that result. So you seeing that result, you seeing them putting that kind of result. It doesn't mean that if you go into affiliate marketing, you start putting that result if you don't put in the required work. So these men do crazy stuff. I do crazy stuff. So we don't show you those crazy stuff. We only show you the results so that you can be enticed. But no, there are work to do. So if you are lazy and you don't like to put in the work to see results, affiliate market is not for you. So there is work involved. Know that. So the next point is that affiliate marketing requires you to generate a lot of traffic. Okay, now 70% of your work as an affiliate marketer come from generating targeted traffic. Study shows that 1% out of 100% of your prospects only buys instantly, while 30 to 70% buys via consistent follow-up. Okay, so affiliate marketing backbone is traffic. So this is it. You are selling other people's products. So what you have to do is to drive targeted traffic to that product and have conversions. So the 70% of your work depends on traffic. So you have to learn traffic generation as an affiliate marketer. That's one of the best skills you have to learn. How to drive traffic. There we have two types of traffic. We have the paid traffic. We have the free traffic, or what we call the organic traffic. The paid traffic is fast, and the free traffic or the organic traffic is slow but compound faster. So the thing is that you either put your money out there to be working for you, or you have to put yourself out there and be working for yourself. So affiliate marketing requires a lot of traffic. If you can't generate traffic, you can't generate sales. So you have to learn how to drive traffic, how to close sales before you can be a successful super affiliate. So 70% of your work as an affiliate marketer comes from generated traffic. So you have to learn how to drive traffic to your offers. So know that affiliate marketing is the game of numbers. The numbers of people who see your product, who see your offers, who see what you are promoting will determine the number of sales you are going to make. So study shows that 1% out of 100% of your prospect of your conversion converts. That means 1% out of 100% converts. That means the rest 99% doesn't buy instantly. Okay, so you'll be frustrated if you can't drive traffic to your offers. So affiliate marketing deals with numbers. The numbers that see your product determine the numbers that will buy your product. So then the rest of them comes from consistent follow-up. That means the rest sees. So if 100 people see your product right now, we determine that 1% will buy instantly. That means 1% will buy instantly, and the rest 30 to 70 persons will buy via follow-up. That's why we have WhatsApp or Gmail to consistently follow up, because an average person must have to see your product 7 times or your offer 7 times before they can think of a buying decision. So the next point is focusing on a niche and a product. This is where we miss it out. You can't promote all the products. Focus on one product before scaling. All right. Focus is required when it comes to affiliate marketing. So this is it. If you want to become a successful affiliate marketer, you starting out as a beginner, what I would advise that you pick a product and you promote. Expertnia has close to about 70 to 80 products as I'm speaking right now. Alright, you can easily promote all the products, but you'll be getting it wrong if you are promoting everything as a beginner. First, focus on the niche. Niche is the industry you are promoting. We have the business niche, we have the relationship niche, we have the health niche, we have the travel niche, and it goes on like that. So you have to focus on the niche. If it's the health niche you want to focus, you can focus on the health niche. If it's the relationship or the business or the wealth niche, you can focus on it and pick a product and promote. Okay, so it doesn't mean that you must promote the 72 IG, because 72 IG is the hottest product on Expertnia right now. There are other hot products. Close to about 10 of them. Hot selling product right now on Expertnia, of which you can promote and have and make a lot of money from it. So my advice is that don't promote several products. Focus on one product. Promote the hell out of it before scaling, or maybe before choosing or going to promote other products together. So your goal is to promote just one product and not to promote diverse product. So focus is required when it comes to affiliate marketing. If you focus on one thing, it will compound faster than if you focus on diverse things. That means focusing on other products. So before promoting any product, you have to do your research before you can start promoting that product. Do your deep research. Research is important and is required when it comes to affiliate marketing. So the next point is affiliate marketing requires consistency. Affiliate marketing requires consistency. That's what is on the top. Affiliate marketing requires consistency. So consistency is key. If you are not seeing any result at the moment, consistency shows you how you can stand in one position and be grinding even if you are not seeing anything. So study shows that it takes humans 7 times to see a product before they can make a buying decision. Your consistency should make you be at the top of the mind of your prospect when they think about affiliate marketing or ready to make a buying decision. So there's nothing greater than consistency. No matter what you are doing, no matter what business, no matter what anything you find yourself, consistency is key. You have to keep showing, you have to keep coming out, you have to keep putting yourself out there, even when you are not fit, even when you are not ready, even when things are not going well, even when you're not making sales or things are not coming the way you ought to be. So consistency is what matters a lot. Your consistent is what brings the required result. So many of us are very impatient when it comes to affiliate marketing. That was me when I started affiliate marketing. I was very impatient. I was expecting results so fast. That makes me leave affiliate marketing and go. That made me leave affiliate marketing and went ahead with what I was doing before because I was impatient. There was no results. I was looking for instant gratification. That's what many of us are looking for. Instant gratification. What you just go in and start making results, making sales instantly. So impatient is what kills many of us as a beginner because we are easily carried away and easily pumped by the screenshot, the sales people are making a million, making 500,000 every week, and we are easily carried away, and we are thinking that I have to be making this kind of money, and you forget the work they are putting out there, and you can't put in that work, and you are expecting that kind of result. So we are so impatient, we don't see result first week, second week, a month, 2 months, and we are out of it. There are some super affiliates that started affiliate marketing 6 months, there was no result, but they were still there, and today they are doing millions every week. So consistency is what makes you stand out from the crowd. Okay, so you have to put in the required work, the required effort, even the you have to put in the required work, the required effort. Even if the result is not coming out, you have to keep at it and keep doing it till you start seeing the green light or you start seeing results. And that's what we compound, and you start scaling, the momentum will start going up and things will start coming out well for you. So these are the 5 truths you have to know about affiliate marketing before starting out, or maybe that will make you start making sales or make you be a super affiliate, or which you have to be. Okay, so these are the 5 truths. Affiliate marketing is one of the best business you can do. So I believe this content help, and I believe you found value. So affiliate marketing is a business that make product vendors or companies millions, and ordinary people like us millionaires. So if you can do affiliate marketing, you can do any business. If you can sell other people's product, you can sell any product. Affiliate marketing is the best business you can do, and it's one of the easiest business model out there. So if you are the type of person that has not started affiliate marketing, or you are thinking to start affiliate marketing, you are still thinking, having second thoughts, affiliate marketing is a business for you. And if you are the type of person that has started but you have not made any sales, watch these 5 truths and reevaluate and start putting in the required work. If you are the type of person that is still struggling, go through these 5 truths and adjust your cable and start putting in what it's required, and you will see results, and you will see results. All right, so I believe this content help. So these are the 5 truths you should know about affiliate marketing before starting out, or if you have started which nobody told you about. So the next video will be talking more about how you can start well with affiliate marketing, what you need to know, how you can position, how to drive traffic, and many other more. See you in the next content. Bye for now.